In this video, I'll make an interactive population map of the United States using magic maps and data from the U.S. Census website. First, I open up Magic Maps and select the map template for the United States. This gives me an empty map of the U.S., which I can now fill with data. Next, I open a web browser and go to the U.S. Census website, www.census.gov. I click the link that says Data Map. Here I see a population map produced by the U.S. Census. I can scroll down to find the raw data used to produce it. At the bottom of the page, I see a link called Download CSV, and I click Population Change. My web browser shows me the raw CSV data with columns for state or region and population by year. To bring this data into Magic Maps, I select all and press Copy. Then I go to Magic Maps, click the map, and press Paste. A dialog appears. Because the CSV column containing states is called State or Region instead of just State, I'm asked to verify that the State or Region column contains state information. I see that it does, so I click OK. Now I have a map of U.S. population, where each state is colored according to the number of people counted by the U.S. Census. States with more population appear darker, and states with less population appear lighter. In this map, I see that some of the labels overlap, especially in the New England area. I can spend a minute or two adjusting the position of the labels by clicking and dragging. By clicking the timeline on the bottom left, I can look at the population figures for any census year between 1910 and 2010. On the left, I see that the CSV file that I imported actually contains two variables, one called population and one called change. The change variable stores percent population change from 10 years before. If I want, I can compute my own population change figures using the analytic functions in Magic Maps. I right-click Population, go to Percent Change, and click 10 years. This creates a new variable with the computed 10-year population change. By clicking back and forth, I can see that the figures I just computed and the figures provided by the census are virtually identical. However, I see that the computed figures have extra precision, so I can delete the variable provided by the census. Next, I can give each map a title. I simply click each variable, then move my mouse to the top of the map until a text cursor appears. Then I click and I type. Now I have an interactive population map of the U.S., which I can print out, export to the web, or email to other Magic Maps users. You can download the map created in this tutorial and watch more instructional videos on the Magic Maps website.